Welcome to the Prominence 2 Historian Era. Hey everyone, get ready to dive into an epic journey in the vast and mysterious world of Minecraft. In this series, I'll be exploring the Prominence 2 Historian Era mod pack, where every corner is filled with thrill, adventure, and challenging trials. From navigating ancient ruins to battling fierce monsters, each episode is promised heart-pounding moments and mind-bending puzzles. I'll be gathering resources, crafting unique items, and uncovering the secrets of the Historian Era as I strive to conquer these captivating landscapes. Join me as we face formidable foes, unraveling intricate quests, and embark on a daring escapades. Will I rise the challenge ahead, or be overwhelmed by the danger lurking in the shadows? Let's find out together in this incredible Minecraft adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a moment of this action. And let's jump in. So yes, we're at spawn. So nasa spawn tayo ngayon. And yeah, I see something at the sky. I think it's a sky village, as I can see on the sky. And let me check the map first. Yes, at my village tayo nearby, which is a good thing. We have a village nearby. Okay, nasa taas tayo ng kahoy. So let's go try and... Man, napakataas! What the heck? I don't think kakayanin natin. I don't think we can. So I wanted to find the main... Okay, it's a redwood. So yeah, we need to go down safer. The most safer... Oh man, we can't go down in a safer way, man. So as you can see, kailangan nating mag-chop ng wood. Because of that, di tayo makakapag, alam mo yun, chop the wood until we go down. Kailangan din naman natin yung wood. So we're gonna chop this down. I don't know if man, hindi ko alam kung mabubuhay tayo after we fall. Pero yeah, we need the wood anyway. So we're gonna give it a try. Try natin. Man, it's 13 out of 30. So we're going to cut this tree down by hand. And we don't know if we're gonna survive the fall. Pupunta tayo dun sa village after. Man, this takes ages. Okay, we're down to last two. And the final wood will be chopped now. Brace for the fall. And yeah, we didn't go down. Okay, we didn't fall. Hindi tayo nahulog. We didn't fall. At least we have this woods. Okay, it's red planks. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here. Gather some birch twigs. Okay, put this one, and we're gonna make some handy dandy axe. Okay, I hope we can go down. Oh my god, it's another one. Okay, this is a good sign. And here goes the bad sign again. Last two. And brace for impact. Oh man, hindi pa. I see some water. So parkour. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, we're finally down here. So first things first, we need to go on. Yeah, I already see the village. Let's go. Oh, May mga guardians. Don't tell me merong ano dito. Wait. Let me check. Holy macaroni. May mga guardians. Kasi merong ano. May malaking ano dun, no? May mga guardians. Pinapatay nila yung mga villager. There's a freaking temple. Oh. Hello there. I'm gonna need your leather. I'm going to need your leather and your food. Thank you for the assist. And hey there. There's a trader. I'm going to need... Oh ho, ho. Man, early finds. Oh man, early finds. Ang aga naman natin nakahanap ng ganun. Emits strong magical vibe. Pero kailangan natin ng furnace, so we're gonna get this furnace up. Polished andesite na. We don't need those shits. What do you sell, man? Iron sword, 16 emeralds na. Gotta gather some stone. Bago tayo maglibot, kailangan natin ng stones. And yes, it's already broken. And yeah, let's go. Let's go create some crafting table, another crafting table, and create some tools that we need. And also like this. Okay, we're gonna leave everything that we don't need like this one. Maglulot na tayo. Let's go loot the rest. Para ilagay kung nasaan man at kung saan ko pwede ilagay yung gagawin kong bahay. I really wanted to create a house on my own at hindi yung magnanakaw na lang tayo ng bahay kagaya ng ginagawa natin sa ating mga survival videos. But today, I'm going to create my really own house and I don't know how I can do it, but yes, I'm gonna do it. Kahit hindi ako builder, I'm gonna do it. For real. At this point, nakakita na ako ng spot which is suitable kasi malapit na sa tubig. I want to be a fisherman right now and feeling ko gusto kong magstay dito sa server na to or sa mod na to ng medyo matagal with survival, I mean like hardcore mode. Kaya pinili kong mas malapit lang sa tubig para makapag-fishing ako, like chilling, and yeah, maybe I can do some live streams on YouTube and Facebook with this mod someday. So, I'm gonna try to create a better home or a better base. So, gusto ko malapit lang sa tubig. So, I'm gonna put all the barrels, put all the stuffs here for the starter, and try to create a home base dito sa episode 1 na to. At after ko ma-set up lahat ng mga resource ko and malagay lahat ng mga nalot ko, naghanda na ako para maglakbay ulit. Dahil maghahanap tayo ng mga resource, maghahanap tayo ng mga magagandang structures to raid in kasi combat based ang leveling system dito at meron kang talent tree. Kaya kailangan natin maghanap ng mga pwede nating i-raid na mga lugar at baka makahanap pa tayo ng village, which is a very good thing dahil napakarami nilang resource. So, maghahanap muna tayo dito. And nakakita pala ako dito ng isang tunnel or isang cave, which is a good thing na pwede nating gawing mine base and also coals. Kaya pinuntahan ko to and yeah, I mined all. I mean not everything, but I mined enough just to sustain all of my needs. So as you can see, ang dami talagang iron and coals dito, and yeah, I am trying to get all the coals and the iron. Yun nga, habang nagmamine ako, meron ako nakitang coffin. And eto na nga. Kukunin ko muna tong iron. May nakita ako dito eh. It's getting dark. So, merong coffin. Yes, may enchanted book. Punch and... Oh, priest boots. Man, this is way more better than than the boots I'm wearing, man. For real. Okay, bones. Pwede na. And a bone block. Good thing, pero why the heck merong ganyan dito? Pagkatapos kong ang malut or mamine ang lahat ng nakita kong iron at saka coal, rumekta na ako, dumiretso na ako, umalis na ako dito para pumunta sa isang structure na nakita ko sa map yung nag-render. So, meron akong nakita dito, yes, oo. At pupuntahan ko to dahil, yes, kailangan natin ng loot and we need more things to explore on this world of Prominence 2 Historian Era. So, hindi pa tayo nakakapag-start ng Void Era natin. Well, we're going to have more exploration on this map. And yes, magiging stable muna tayo bago tayo mag-start ng mga kung ano-ano para hindi tayo mag-suicide mission. And here we are. So, nandito na tayo sa structure na yon. And yes, oo, it's full of villagers, which is yeah. And jump. Man, may kalaban. Let's go. And yeah, it's a home sweet home, baby. May maliit na pond pala tayo dito. Hindi muna tayo gagawa ng bahay. We're going to create something. Lalagay muna tayo ng mga valuable belongings natin dito. Yun na. Oh, iron ingot. Okay. Rare? Yeah, I put it down to common. Okay. So let's go. Lux runs out, but it's okay. It's okay. It's a 200 weapon, main handed weapon, so 4.3, 3.4. How about this one? Okay, okay. Kind of a good shit. I might need a sleep, man. I might need a sleep. It's a day 6. And yes, I am thinking what I am thinking is I'm gonna get some wood first. I'm going to get some wood first. What the? I'm so fast. Can you see me? No, you don't. This will be a lot of wood, but I don't want to get that. I'm sorry. Kailangan ko lang talaga ng wood, men. I really need the wood. bago ang lahat, gagawa muna tayo ng axe. Kasi kukuha tayo ng napakaraming wood to finish the freaking house. Ano to? Fluid pipe. Na. We don't need those pipes. Sabi ko axe, hindi pickaxe. Bonax. Pero yeah, magagamit din natin yan. So let's go. Put this all here. And let's go. Kulang ata HP natin. Kain muna tayo konti. So still redwood pa din yung ika-chop down natin. We'll be chopping down redwoods. Dami nating redwood dito. I think kasi talaga ito lang yung accessible wood for us. Okay, I think this will be the most accessible woods for us, the redwood. And yes, ito yung gagawin nating source of wood in our base. Yun, no? Nagkalat ang redwood. Crafting table. Yun. Let's go. Para mapag-enchant na tayo ng mga gamit natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oho. Oho. Yeah, baby. We already have it. Pwede ba? Oo nga, pwede. Okay. Nice, nice. That would be nice. And I think this area would be good. Ako naglagay ng ganyan. Okay. setup natin po. Aray ko. Bahay natin, Gar, puro kahoy. Konting sindi lang, sunog na. Bahay mong puro kahoy. Na konting sindi lang, sunog na. Tanganan natin into cut, diorite cut. Yeah, baby. Kailanganin natin yan. Okay. Sticks. We have some sticks, right? Sticks. Okay. Kasi nakita ko itong moonstone. So moonstone. Meron tayong moonstone pickaxe, meron tayong moonstone axe, and moonstone hoe, which is moonstone lunar ring. Used to gain the lunar herald effect. Press H to shoot moonlight beam with the effect. Cost per batch. Okay. Ito naman, shovel. Attack 5. And this one is moonstone pickaxe and moonstone axe. So to create, okay, pwede. And this one. So kakailangan natin to. Fill recipe. And fill recipe, okay? Meron tayo. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go, come on. What do you have for me, my friend? Puro lang kwenta ginagawa mo, ha? Hey, kailangan ko ng ano mo. Kailangan ko leather. Give me your leather, my friend. Thank you. Thank you for that. But the thing is, kailangan itong Virglass. So, kailangan siya full durability. Okay. Okay. Man! Oh my God! We need more moonstone for that shit, man. Oh, shit! Meron pa ba tayong moonstone? Fuck, man. That's fucked up, man. Okay. We have some diamonds. We have alternatives. Kasi nga, papasok na tayo dun sa, ano, India. It's still in common. Pero, we still have, are we waiting for? Let's go. Go. And yeah, at this point, I'm back in the tunnels mining. So, maghahanap tayo dito ng iba't ibang mga ores, lalo na yung moonstone. Since napakagandang equipment ng moonstone, lalo na yung moonstone axe, it has a higher damage. And yes, para siyang diamond. So, we're gonna find more of that here. At marami pa akong mga iba't ibang mga materials and also ores na nakikita. And I'm not so familiar with it. Napakaraming ores sa modpack na ito. And yes, I am trying to do my best hanapin at yeah, i-sort out yung mga ores na ito at kung ano yung mga useful and non-useful among all of these ores. And while I am exploring the cave, so napakalaking cave na to, nakakita nga ako ng maraming mga ores, lalo na moonstone and yung glass thing na kailangan para makapag-craft ng mga equipments for the moonstone equipments. Meron akong nakitang structure dito. So para siyang hindi siya parang, it's a bone dungeon. So bone dungeon siya. So pinuntahan ko siya dito and hindi ko siya pinatuloy. I mean, hindi ko siya pinasok kaagad kasi I doubt nakakayanin ko Parang hindi ko siya talaga kakayanin. If in case napapasokan ko ito, hindi ko kakayanin. And I am very full. My inventory is very full. So, I'm thinking about the next episode, I'm going to raid this. And also, meron din ako nakita ditong malapit na, na deep dark biome, which is, yun nga, nandoon yung abandoned city. So, maybe we can tackle the wardens and loot those chests na nandun since maganda yung chest na nandun. So at this point nakikita ko na sa map yung area na kung saan nandoon yung dungeon. So at this point nakikita ko na siya. And yes, kinukuha ko din tong lapis since we're gonna be using lapis on enchantments. Mag-create na din tayo ng mga natin. And yeah, pinasok ko siya ng saglitan and looted some shits on the chest. Ang maganda dito, maganda multiplayer dito sa modpack na to dahil each chest generates different loots for different players. So napakaganda niya sana if meron kang kasamang active. And yeah, maganda siyang pangbarkadang modpack, which is you can play together and yeah, embark on a different journey or the same journey with different loots. At nung nakita ko nga dito na merong mga skeleton, bumatsi na din ako, umalis na ako dito kasi yeah, I'm nearly dead on this spot. So tinira pa nga ako dito and yes, I'm down to 1 heart at kumakaripas na nga talaga ako ng takbo dito. I don't know what to do. Hindi ko pansin na 1 heart na lang ako. Huli ko na nakita yan. Takbo ako ng takbo. Buti na lang talaga wala akong may nasalubong na creeper or even skeleton. Even skeleton mapapatay ako So eto, nakita ko na yung abandoned city. Di kalayuan sa map. So good thing about map, para kang naka-cheat. So makikita mo na nga talaga kung ano yung nasa ibaba. So as you can see, nakikita ko na dito yung abandoned city. So I'm planning to go and get some piece of that abandoned city later on. Pero not on this situation, which is one heart na lang ako. And yeah, I'm going home para ilagay na tong mga loots natin. And finally, we are back home again, mga Lodi Cakes. So, ayan na nga, ilalagay ko na tong mga na-loots natin. And I'm trying to create something with the gleaming dust dito. So, kukunin ko yung gleaming dust. Kasi meron siyang eye patch, like para siyang accessories na bibigyan ka ng night vision. I mean like permanent night vision. Mabibigyan ka ng permanent night vision. So gagawa na nga ako dito para meron tayong permanent night vision since we are going to the abandoned city on that area as well, doon sa bone dungeon na yun. So iyan na nga, gagawa tayo nitong ano na to. So I don't know kung anong pangalan nun. So ayan na nga, yung Monaco. So ilalagay natin siya sa character natin and we will going to have a permanent night vision. Ayan, permanent night vision. So luminaw nga yung paningin natin. So let's go. And yes, this will be the end of episode 1. I hope you guys enjoy the semi-movie. Episode 1 pa lang yan. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscription button over there. And also the notification bell. So if I upload the next, makikita nyo na din.